In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Printing your documents efficiently is crucial, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. With Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, this task is intuitive and straightforward, ensuring that your documents are printed exactly how you need them. So let's dive into this quick guide. To get started, you first need to open the PDF file you wish to print. Launch Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and navigate to your desired PDF document. Opening the right file initially is important to avoid printing errors or needing to repeat the process. Make sure your document is correctly loaded and ready for the next steps. Now, once your file is open in Acrobat, you'll want to access the print options. Head to the top left corner of the interface where you'll see the hamburger menu, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll find the print option. Selecting this will open up the print dialog box, where you can make all the necessary adjustments to ensure your document comes out perfectly. In the print dialog box, you're going to choose your preferred printer. If you have multiple printers available, make sure to select the one you intend to use. The last thing you need is a document printing from the wrong machine. With the printer chosen, it's time to adjust some settings. Take a moment to choose your paper size. This could be standard A4, letter, or another size that suits your needs. Next, consider the page orientation. Will your document look best in portrait or landscape mode? It's all about ensuring that your content fits the page beautifully. Additionally, if you need more than one copy, set the number here so everything is ready to go at once. Once you've set your printer preferences and are satisfied with how the settings look, it's time to print. Simply click on the print button and your document will be sent to your chosen printer. You should hear the familiar hum of the printer as your pages start to emerge, and there you have it. A quick and effective way to print a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With these simple steps, you can print your documents with confidence and ease. Always double check your settings for the best results, and remember that practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and happy printing.